Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon you all and welcome to the channel. In this rather short video, we will discuss Java keywords. So without any delay, let us start because it will be an extremely short lecture. As you can see, I have compiled the keywords of Java here, and I added a legend. That was used for my personal preference when I was studying. You do not have to, you can ignore this if you would like, and you can also remove the colors if you want. I will be attaching this image, or rather this sheet, alongside this video. But what you must remember is that keywords cannot be used in Java other than the function that they are used for. So you cannot, for example, name a variable Boolean. You have to declare it as Boolean, but its name or identifier cannot be Boolean. You cannot call a method class and then the parameter list. These are known as reserved keywords. They cannot be used to name a variable, name a constant, name a constructor, or name a method. And of course, the constructor name must match the class name to begin with. But for to reaffirm the necessity for keywords. And that is it with regards to this lecture. I thought at this point now we have a solid foundation for Java to discuss the keywords. You do not have to worry if you do not understand most of these keywords. Some of them we covered, others we will cover inshallah later on, but not at the moment, either later on in the course, such as exception handling, for example, or in other at higher levels, such as these keywords, for example. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful and beneficial to you all. Enjoy the rest of your day, everyone. Be safe, take care, and peace be upon you all. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.